Hello, beautiful people. It's Dr. McCoy-Wilson back for another explanation of an assignment. Today, we're talking about the annotated bibliography. This is by far my favorite assignment once I learned to write this as an undergrad. I will not provide the extensive assignment information that helped me learn how to write these better in this particular video. I may provide it later. It's called a rhetorical précis, but I'm going to explain what that is while explaining this assignment. So I'm sure you're wondering, what is an annotated bibliography anyway? This very complicated, multi-syllable phrase these English people made up. An annotated bibliography is a list of references, basically, that includes an additional component, a summary of the source along with key points of the author's purpose and arguments. It also contributes to the research project by helping you collect and analyze your sources. So this is a very disciplined way for you as an undergraduate to collect sources and know something about those sources for a researched essay, research paper, research project. So this assignment, as many of the assignments in this course, will help you get through your undergraduate life and graduate school, quite frankly. So how does one write an annotated bibliography? That's the next question. Well, I'm here to explain it. Each annotation should be formatted in APA. That's the first thing. So each annotation should begin with the bibliographic information in APA reference format in alphabetical order. So what that means is, if you were writing a references page, the information that you would include in that references page, but right underneath the reference, you would then write the annotation for that reference. And so next, annotation should have hanging indents. Again, I love samples. This assignment includes a sample. So you can see visually what the annotated bibliography should look like. And yes, you must include those hanging indents. And of course, this assignment is only an annotated bibliography, so you will be graded accordingly. Each annotation should provide a summary. I just talked about that a little bit. Write a summary of the source. And that summary should include, and here's that précis in short, without all of the very detailed explanation. Each annotation or summary should include the author's claim, how she develops the claim, and the author's purpose. And then the next column, explain or the evaluation and use of the source. So basically, you're going to provide an evaluation of the source. Is it a good argument? Is it a bad argument, and why? And then finally, you're going to provide an explanation of how you plan to use the source in your own research paper. Things to remember. Do create a title that reflects your topic. And of course, you are open and welcome to change that title as you begin writing. Indicate your research question below your title. So these are other things to remember. Also, format each annotation in a single paragraph. I have these overzealous writing students that want to write a couple of pages about one source. Absolutely not. One paragraph. Another thing to remember, there should be 4 sources with 4 annotations. The annotated bibliography is 20% of your grade. So as you see the pattern here, each subsequent assignment is a little bit more weighty and has a little bit more breadth and depth. So that's all. I have demystified the annotated bibliography in like less than 5 minutes, or right about 5 minutes. So that's it, everybody. Thank you so much, students, and happy writing.